Yo, what is going on everybody? David here, bringing you guys back with a YouTube video. So I recently just picked up a new car and let's just get right into it. Introducing my 2019 Lamborghini SVJ, I wish. 2019 Mustang GT Performance Pack Level 1. I literally just picked this up like a few days ago and I love it. But let me tell you guys, the exhaust is so quiet. Like I already have an exhaust picked out that I already want, and I'm gonna probably go ahead and order it within the next maybe few weeks. All right, enough talking. Let me just show you guys around the car. Oh my gosh, look how big those mufflers are. They need to go ASAP. I wasn't lying when I said I just picked this car up a few days ago. Still have the dealer protective wrap on there. I did go with the 6-speed as well. I could have got the 10-speed. The reason why I went with the 6-speed is because it's just more fun, in my opinion. Banging your own gears, you know. A 10-speed is a lot faster though, and I do give creds to that. I used to have a Shelby GT350, and I wish I started making content with that car because that is my all-time favorite car. So I know I haven't said this already, but on this channel I'm gonna be posting just a bunch of different, you know, car content, whether it's my car, whether it's some of my buddies' cars, whether I'm going to car meets. It's gonna be a nice laid-back channel for all you car lovers out there who just love to watch car content. So I'm not gonna tell you guys the exhaust setup I want. It's gonna be a surprise. I will tell you though, what I do want, some other mods that I want, that I'll do in the future, is I want new seats, I want Recaros, preferably the OEM Recaros on the newer Mustangs. I want the big screen. I don't even know why Ford made this with the new Mustangs, but it's just too small. There's no Apple CarPlay, and it's gotta go. Let me go ahead and start her up for you guys. It is burning here in Destin, Florida. Way too quiet. So I actually don't mind the shift knob on these cars, but I do want to have like a nice carbon fiber accents like all over the car. Like this entire dash panel, I want to have carbon fiber over here as well. I want to have a carbon fiber shift knob. Definitely make the car look a lot more cleaner and pop more. I've thought about getting a carbon fiber steering wheel, and I may in the future, but as of right now, I'm just gonna keep it how it is. I'd rather spend that about $1,000 on a new exhaust first. One thing I did notice about this car though is, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but my tint is actually blurry, so that's an issue I have to get fixed. I picked it up about 3 days ago with 35,500 miles, so I've only hit about an extra 200 miles on it, so. All right, enough chit chat. I'm gonna give you guys a POV drive. I'll try to be posting at least once a week. If you guys have any suggestions, please drop them in the comments below, and I will be sure to read every single comment. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Say hi to YouTube.
What's up? What's up, YouTube?
This is a dragonfly. What the? Get out of here, dragonfly. So I just got this new GoPro Hero 11 about a week ago, and I'm testing out the POV shots, so let me know what you guys think. Also, if you guys have any suggestions on any video ideas, let me know down below as well. Whether it be POV shots, whether it be, you know, what I plan on doing with the car, whether you guys want to see more car meets, or whether you guys want to see more of these. It's still so quiet. I've got to get an exhaust on this thing. And for those of you who are wondering about the MT82 transmissions, I know there's been a lot of problems with them, like over like the past decade or however long they've been out. But for me, so far, it's been fine, even with like some small pulls here and there. But then again, I've only had the car for not even a week, so I'll give you guys my input later on whenever I have had the car and have experienced it. If you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure to subscribe and like the video. It helps me out a ton. If you guys have any suggestions for me in the future, please make sure to leave a comment. I'll read every single one. And I'll see you guys next week. Y'all have a great day.